Hi, this is another video demonstration from the SwitchaBLE Senior Design Team from Auburn University. What we have right here is our team's custom PCB. It's a development board for a Bluetooth Low Energy device using the NRF 51822 Bluetooth system on a chip from Nordic Semiconductor. This is our own PCB, and I have a quarter here for reference, just to show you the size of it. And the quarter, let's see, the quarter is actually bigger than our PCB, which is pretty cool. Namely, because the PCB itself has about 40, let me see if I can focus in there. There we go. There are about 40 different components on one side of the PCB, so it's pretty compact. So what this video is just going to demonstrate is that, well, we got the board up and running with our own custom firmware. So move it back here. Now on the back side I have the power hardwired just to the simple power supply. Now there's supposed to be a battery connector there. What we found out was that the batteries that we had ordered from China may say that they're 3-volt batteries. However, when we put any type of load on it, I mean like a 100K resistor, the voltage drops down to below like 1.2 volts. So they're pretty useless. So we took off the small little battery connector in the back end for the coin cell battery, and we just hooked it up directly to the power supply. We got 3 volts running to it. Well, I haven't turned it on yet. We have, just for a demo application, Nordic's own master control panel, which I'll bring up on my smartphone, which is for Bluetooth Low Energy to work on the Galaxy S3 right here. I had to upgrade it to the CyanogenMod 4.3 version of Android. So right here I have Nordic's demo app, just we call it the master control panel, so you can look and search for any Bluetooth Low Energy device on the network, in your surrounding network. So I'm going to turn on the power supply, and when I scan for devices, there we go, we have the SwitchaBLE. Let's see if it focuses. There we go. We have the SwitchaBLE device showing up. When I try to connect to it, we get some information. There we go, I connected to the device. The unknown service, this just because it's showing up in this master control panel, the unknown service is actually our custom service. So if I go right here, this is one of our characteristics, and I'm going to write to the device. I'm going to write 01, and what you should see after when I write to it is, oops, hold on a sec. What I want to write to it is 00. I write to the IC, you will see, oh, there we go, the LED popped up, or lit up right here on the custom PCB. So we can successfully connect to a smartphone with our own PCB and our own PCB design. We have a little chip antenna on there instead of us creating our own PCB trace antenna. This was a bit easier. So what the LED represents is, if you've seen our other video for the triac, is switching on and off the triac. We actually have another mode where it's going to pulse the LED, because the main use for our project is to synchronize our little light switch adapter, which our preliminary 3D model is right here, is quite large, to turn on and off your light when your alarm clock goes off in the morning. So what we've made is this small adapter. Well, it's going to be a lot smaller. This is just our first version, which screws in between your current light socket and a light bulb. So another light bulb will screw in right here, and we can shrink this down quite a bit. And we'll have a battery backup, so you don't have to rely on the mains voltage to power the device. And this should last about a couple of years on just a coin cell battery. And the Bluetooth app that we will show in another demonstration video will be able to sync up the flashing of your incandescent light through our adapter with an alarm on your smartphone. So that was the SwitchaBLE Radio custom PCB demonstration video, and we'll submit more videos soon.